Okay, here's the house from the front. See on a nice quiet street here. Look up the street again. Here's the view up the street the other way. This is what they call low water landscaping. It does have a sprinkler system, but it's low water. You see that fence? We're getting that fence replaced. It's a really old fence that's already fallen down. That's getting all replaced very soon. Here's the garage. There's a standard 2.5 car garage. Nothing too exciting to see in here. Does have some storage. Here's the front door of the house. See some, this is Indian sandstone down here. And then we got this brown stuff that looks like wood is actually a ceramic tile. Then of course we have travertine tile in the living room. Got a gas fireplace. Beautiful shutters, beautiful high ceiling. All new fixtures. And you can see all the new fixtures that we have here. And let's just kind of walk back to the living room. There's the kitchen. Here's the living room. This is all travertine here as well. And the best feature of the whole house is the backyard. Let's take a look at this beautiful backyard. So nice and peaceful out here. You can see the Otay Mountains in the background and the reservoir. See the water for the reservoir back over there. Mount San Miguel. Yeah, this is just a beautiful, beautiful area. Take a look at the rest of the backyard. Peaceful and green. This lemon tree just has lemons all the time. That's a lime tree back there. And this tree is a fig tree, and it just gets covered with these beautiful figs. So anyway, a little better view of the water. So this pergola here is Canterra sandstone and redwood up on the top there. It's just a very beautiful, peaceful place to sit. We used to have a table out here, an outdoor table, and the wonderful place to have dinner. This is a brand new air conditioner right here. And here's the kitchen. Kitchen's got the quartz countertops, new cabinets, new dishwasher, new stove. Very nice black backsplash, new microwave. Better look at the guest bathroom. See, it's got new quartz countertop. It's nice fixtures. The electricity is not on, so I can't turn on the lights right now. We're getting that turned on in the bathroom. Here's a better look at the master bedroom. It's got a ceiling fan, fairly new ceiling fan. And it's got two closets, a his and a hers closet. And this is all beautiful, what they call it? It's a beautiful granite. See how it's beautiful black flake? This is really some of the most expensive granite you can get. Just very beautiful. This is all new. New toilet here and tiled. See the tile in the bathroom. Very nice here. Here's the view looking out. Let's go up the stairs and take a look up the stairs. New carpet down here, up here, excuse me. A loft is a really nice place for an office and some computers and what have you. Here's one of the upstairs bedrooms. Take a look there. It's got a full-size closet. Like I already said, new carpet. Got a laundry room. These are fairly new Maytag washer and dryer here in the laundry room. The other bedroom, it's got a good sized closet. Let's go back out and take a look at the bathroom. There you go, and this is it. This is the end of the tour. Here's the bathroom. It's got the travertine floor as well.